they consider him to be like a man and woman at the same time. You should dream of flying a lot. Agao may be one of the Loas that works with you. And fun fact is, most people think that he likes to turn people into werewolf. Okay? And werewolf is something very real and present in Haitian culture. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about Agao, the Loa of Thunder in Haitian Voodoo. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that YouTube may notify you whenever I upload a new video. And thank you to all of you who always like my videos, always leaving comments. Agao is a very powerful Loa. He is part of the Wada division of Loa, but you can also find him in the Peto division of Loa as well. He rules over thunder, lightning, and wind. He controls rainy season just like windy season as well. He rules with Agwe, Loa of the sea, Hosai, Simbi, Loas of the river, Bade, Loa of rain, and Sobo, Loa of lightning. Any Loas that work with Bade also work with Sobo. I will talk more about them in another video. Agao is depicted with a sword in his hands. As a matter of fact, they compare him with the Archangel Michael in Catholic, because he is a warrior, a great defender. Okay, he's very powerful. He fights in high altitude like an eagle. You should dream of flying a lot. Agao may be one of the Loas that works with you. And also, you should dream of getting attacked and suddenly you have like wings and you're flying away from danger. It is maybe Agao telling you that he will help you go through your troubles. Don't call on him for just any type of things, because he's a very powerful Loa. He's not the type of Loa that you would want to mess with, because his punishment is harsh. Okay, so as a punishment, he may mount his servant and make him or her climb in a very high altitude and leave you like hanging there for a while. So he requires a lot of principles. He is often greeted right after greeting Bosu and Beleko in Haitian Voodoo dance ceremony. When he mounts someone, that person is endowed with strength and speak loudly as thunder. His colors are red and green, and his perfume is humble. He drinks wine and rum, and for animal sacrifices you may give him turkey, pig, or a cow. His days are Wednesdays in most places, but there are other places that may have like other days. Ogubalenjo is considered to be his brother. Okay, I have a video about Ogu if you want to check that out. I never really hear that he has a wife, because he's mostly considered as a two-sided Loa. Okay, so they consider him to be like a man and woman at the same time. There are more than one Agao. Okay, there are Agao Frize, Agao Wedo, Agao Elephant, Agao Zekle, Agao Lorai, Agao Mede, Agao Betsansan, Agao Zetoile, and Agao De. They are all the same energy but in different vibrations. So the manifestations of each one of them may slightly differ. And fun fact is, most people think that he likes to turn people into werewolf. Okay, but this is not considered to be true according to most voodooists. And werewolf is something very real and present in Haitian culture. I will talk more about it in another video. There is a popular song in voodoo that says Agao is from Savo in Haiti. So maybe it's because, you know, he has a lot of followers or servants there. So this is the video. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, please. You feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. I will answer all of them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification button so that YouTube may notify you whenever I upload a new video. And thank you to all of you that are already my subscribers. Okay, take care of yourselves and see you in another video.